If I told you that in 2025, you could make your very first profits from trading without spending years learning chart analysis, Japanese candlesticks, or economic news. Sounds unbelievable, right? But the truth is, thousands of beginners in the Philippines have already been using a method that allows them to automatically copy trades from professional investors in real time while still keeping full control over their own money. That method is called copy trading. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the top 3 copy trading platforms that are beginner-friendly, low-fee, and extremely easy to set up. And don't miss the end of the video, because I'll reveal a common mistake that causes many beginners to lose money, even when they're copying the right experts. The big problem. Many newcomers enter the market with excitement, but without a concrete plan. They follow random tips from YouTube, shady Telegram groups, or self-proclaimed signal providers. And then, within just a few weeks, their accounts are almost completely wiped out. Smart beginners today take a different approach. They start by copying top traders, right on safe, licensed platforms designed with beginners in mind. However, not all platforms are the same. Some charge hidden fees, some delay withdrawals, some don't give you proper risk control. That's why I'm breaking down the top 3 copy trading platforms, especially for beginners in the Philippines. Number 3 Okta. This platform is well known for its clean, intuitive interface, and copy trading is built right into the app. Minimum deposit, just $25. Trading fees, no commission on Forex. Assets, Forex, crypto, gold, indices. The best part? With a single tap, you can view the leaderboard of top traders, including verified users from the Philippines, check their past performance, and start copying instantly. Pro tip: choose traders with at least 6 months of consistent results and a drawdown rate under 30%. That's a sign they manage risk well. Later in the video, I'll show you a platform that lets you see every verified trade strategy. 100% transparency. Number 2. eToro. The largest copy trading platform in the world. If you want to learn while you earn, eToro is a great fit. Unlike many other platforms, eToro lets you directly interact with professional traders. You can follow them, ask questions, leave comments, and view their full trade history. You can start copying from as little as $50. They also offer a demo account so you can practice before depositing real money. Note, eToro has a $5 withdrawal fee, and crypto spreads can sometimes be higher than average. But when it comes to community, transparency, and credibility, few can beat it. Number 1. MEXC, a rising star in the crypto copy trading space in Southeast Asia. While most platforms focus on Forex or stocks, MEXC is built for crypto traders. Copy trading is fully integrated. You don't need any third-party tools. You can browse hundreds of ranked crypto traders by ROI, then pick who you want to copy. Minimum to start copying: just 10 USDT. Quick withdrawals to Philippine bank accounts via local partners. The standout feature? You can see each trader's live positions, stop-loss levels, win rate, and risk level. Advanced tip: use the stop copy setting if your trader loses for 3 days in a row. Simple way to protect your capital. Bonus: once you become consistently profitable, MEXC lets you become a signal provider so you can earn passive income from others copying you. Quick comparison table. Okta, best for starting simple. eToro, best for learning within a community. MEXC, best if you focus on crypto and want to scale fast. Minimum deposits. Okta, $25. eToro, $50. MEXC, 10 USDT. Important warning copy: trading is not 100% passive income. You still need to monitor your account, set reasonable goals, and adjust when needed. Don't copy just because of high ROI. Always check drawdown and risk management. Final thoughts. You don't need to be a technical expert to start earning profits. All you need is the right platform. Then copy the pros, learn from real trades, and grow at your own pace. But remember, don't just chase profits, chase clarity. Know who you're copying. Know when to stop. Use this tool as a learning experience, not as a gamble. I've placed all the official links in the description. Some links even give you sign-up bonuses or free trading credits. Don't miss out. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for weekly platform reviews. And here's my question for you. Have you ever tried copy trading? If not, what's holding you back? Drop a comment. I read every single one.